Struggling to manage your GoDaddy professional emails and personal Gmail separately? This video merges them for seamless communication. Before we begin, you'll need your GoDaddy email address, its password, and the inbound and outbound server details. If you don't have these, log into GoDaddy and navigate to your email settings for this information. First, open Gmail and click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. From the Quick Settings menu, select See All Settings. Next, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. Under the Check Mail from Other Accounts section, click Add a Mail Account. A new pop-up window will appear. Enter your GoDaddy email address into the field and click Next. On the next screen, select Import Emails from My Other Account POP3 and click Next. Now input your GoDaddy email address for the username, enter your GoDaddy email password, and then type in the GoDaddy POP server details you gathered earlier. We recommend using port 995 and always check the box for Always Use a Secure Connection SSL. Crucially, we advise against leaving a copy of retrieved messages on the server. Unless you specifically require it, make sure to deselect the option to keep messages on the server. This prevents duplicate emails. Then click Add Account. Once the import is set up, Gmail will ask if you want to be able to send mail as your GoDaddy address. Select Yes. I want to be able to send mail as your _GoDaddy_ email _address and click Next Step. For sending mail, enter your desired name to appear when people receive your emails. Make sure Treat as an alias is checked and click Next Step. Finally, enter the GoDaddy SMTP server details, your GoDaddy email address as the username, and its password. Use port 465 and ensure secured connection using SSL is selected. Click Add Account. Gmail will send a verification email to your GoDaddy account. Open that email, click the confirmation link, or copy and paste the confirmation code provided into the input field in Gmail. Once verified, you can now seamlessly send and receive GoDaddy emails directly within your familiar Gmail interface, simplifying your professional communications.